guys, hello, welcome to the vlog. I didn't get up till late, so I still had breakfast though. I had 2 eggs, and then I had this banana, pineapple, coconut smoothie. It was really good, and I had that for breakfast. Guys, it's been a weird, lazy kind of a day today. I've edited for a long time the past 2 days worth of Vlogmas videos. So those should be up tonight, hopefully, because I gotta still edit the thumbnails. And I didn't wake up till late, so I just filmed my breakfast this morning for you guys. Well, it was this afternoon. But anyways, I'm gonna fix some dinner because I'm trying to do I'm trying to do the fasting thing, okay? I can't say it. But anyways, I have this app that I've been trying to do that with, and I'm trying to eat before it gets too late because I don't want to have to eat really late tomorrow. Hey guys, it's time to clean this cage. She has made a humongous mess. It is so gross. And it's not like I haven't cleaned it in forever. I cleaned it like maybe 2 days ago. If that. Goodness, it is a mess. So let's clean this cage. Finished product. My camera cut off when I was sweeping the floor part of this. After I got Carmel and put her in this cage part, I shut the door and then I started sweeping in this area, and then basically all you missed is me putting the fleece down and me putting her hay rack back up to where it goes, and then putting all this stuff back in the cage. But yeah, she has her gingerbread house, she has her little tree bed, she has a toilet paper roll there, a wrapping paper roll there, she has her hay, her litter box, her water, and she's eating right now because I just put her food in there, and I put a new blue fleece right there. It's the same fleece, but I just cut it up into multiple pieces for just right there. But it's a new fleece, and I just put her dirty fleeces are now in this laundry basket. So I cleaned her cage. Hope that was interesting for you guys. Guys, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm watching Lizzie McGuire right now to go to sleep, but I gotta turn the lights off and then I'm gonna go to bed. I will see you guys in the next vlog. I love you guys so much. Bye.